Hi everyone, my name is Vendik and you are welcome to my channel. Here we discuss everything day trading to keep you in profit on a consistent basis. So being able to trade without indicator is one of the most crucial thing you should learn, okay, that will keep you in the market in a long term. If you are able to analyze a naked chart, it gives you an edge, okay, over what the market is doing. All right. So in this video, I will show you how to do that. All right, and it's very simple. All right. Remember, one of the slogan of the channel is that we will try as much as possible to keep everything simple. All right. We are not complicating anything. All right. And this is how to, I think they call it top-down analysis and whatsoever, but it's just you being able to look at the market with your naked eye and then know what is going on. It's as simple as that. So without further ado, let's get into the charts. All right, good one here. Okay, this is GBP USD. You guys know I'm a fan of GBP USD, and this is a naked chart. All right, so there is nothing in front of me. I've deleted everything. Okay, I've deleted everything out of the chart, and this is just a naked chart. All right, so this is how we go about it. All right, we do discuss about support and resistance before now. All right, so the way we do it is that you tend to do your analysis on the higher time frame. Because why are we doing analysis on a higher time frame? It's because if you go to your 5 minutes to mark up your support and resistance in your 5 minutes, you tend to put a blind on your face. Okay, you are just looking at a 5 minutes movement of the market, whereas your 5 minutes uptrend might be a resistance at 1 hour. So that's a very big problem. So if you don't look at that, there are areas you are not supposed to get into trades, okay, so that you won't mistake where you're supposed to go out, okay, as a place you now come in. You need to open up the chart, increase the time frame, so that you will see the overall what the market is doing. So basically how to actually trade this is that you just use simple support and resistance. All right, so let's get into the chart. Let me show you how to do it. So you just tend to like pick your horizontal line. All right, maybe you can use 4 hours, you can use a 1 hour, it depends. Okay, so the truth is that you should try to, I think I prefer 4 hours. All right. So you tend to like put two horizontal line above the current market price, and then probably two again below it. Okay. And this, where you place these horizontal lines, are at the tip of every reversal point. Okay, so this tends to show us more of the liquidity points where market has high probability of reversing or react on. Okay, so without further ado, all right, let's just get it right. Okay, so this is a naked chart of GBP USD. All right, so I will pick this as one. Okay, so I'll pick this as my strong resistance. I'll pick this as my strong resistance. Okay, I'll pick another one here. Okay, this was another strong resistance point that the market is reacting off of. Okay, and I'll pick another one here. I'll pick this one. Okay, I'll pick this one, and then I'll pick this one. I think that's more than enough. Okay, so what this really help us is that it keeps you on on it gives you a preview, okay, of what the market is doing. So that is that. You will need trend line. So you just pick a trend line, draw it across most of the recent touch points. All right. So if a trend line is broken, it simply means a market have higher probability of reversing. Okay. So another trend line point we are looking at. Okay. This is one. Okay. Look at how it is now, and then don't forget you can have another one like this. Okay, you can have another one like this. So with this now, the markets now have a structure. Okay, with just these things I'm drawing, it now have a structure. Okay, like if you look at it now, you know, okay, fine. At this point, we were uptrend. So if you are entering market here, so you know that it's only buy you are taking, buy you are taking, buy you are taking. So at this point, you are supposed to take a buy. That's why I always said you should wait for market to react. Okay, don't just enter market at a certain level. Allow it to react and show you what it's about to do before you get into it. So at this point, we're supposed to put another buy, but the market didn't respect that. It just broke through, come and retest it. Okay, now you now see that, okay, this particular horizontal line is now holding the market. So we break through it, so we know that we are now on a downtrend. We started selling. Okay, and then we come back. This was a very clean order block. All right, so we react over it. We now know that, okay, we have a short, liquidity. Let's say another horizontal line here. So now this will really help you to be able to trade off zone. So now immediately market reacts off of here, you now know that, okay, there's nothing holding the market again from this point. Okay, so from here you have a clear movement to this particular horizontal line that you have here. As it breaks through, you now know that, okay, you don't have any other thing that is holding this market till you get to this point, but this one failed. Okay, and reverse. Okay, breakthrough, retest. As it retests, you now know that, okay, fine, it's going to this next zone, so you trade off of it. All right, you trade off of it and it breaks through again, it goes back. So what this helps you is that it gives you clarity of what the market is doing. Okay, so trend lines tends to hold more weight when it has touched 3 points. Okay, so why I draw two here is that this can end up being the first one I draw. This one can be a trend line because um, a trend line that's just broken. So we are supposed to start looking at upper side, okay, for the market to go up. And we shouldn't forget too that this particular point this market is now, all right, can also be still a downward trend line. So market can reverse from here and still come back to clear all this liquidity. That is the crucial part of this. So you wait for the market to react before you react. Okay, so you don't react before the market reacts. You wait for the market to react before you do. Okay, this will actually save you a whole lot of stress. It will save you a whole lot of staying in drawdown for long. All right. Okay, so GBP didn't give me a good signal in the morning, so I didn't enter any trade. But I think I saw one trade that I post on my all right. um okay, I think that was on AUD. Yeah, AUD, that was on AUD. So we try. Yes. Okay, so this chart is that after AUD give us signal of downtrend, all right, but we didn't have volume enough. Okay, so it makes us stay in a consolidation point for a very long time. Okay, so out of it, okay, with some profit, and then I close. the account was doing, it was just static. So if you want to stay, if if you check the analysis, what I draw here, okay, it is clear. It is clear that we are downtrend. Okay, we will definitely go down. We are going down, but this, because the volume is not much, okay, we might tend to hold the trade for a very long time, which I'm not a fan of it. Okay, I don't like paying charges to brokers, so I get out of it. And the pair already is not really what I love trading. So if it was GBP, it will be fine, because JPY always have a stronger move every day. So that is just it. So it is supposed to really help you, all right, to be able to just open your chart and then trade what is in front of you. Okay, you just look at the chart and then you trade what is in front of you. So you don't need indicators. So these are the primary things you will need to know. Okay, after you have done with your candlestick patterns, okay, the next thing is for you to be able to analyze the market without any form of indicator. Okay, it's going to really help you to stay in the market for a very, very long time, like being able to stay in this industry for a long time. All right, so it will actually increase your win rates, okay, with minimum of 10 to 20%. I can assure you of that. So being able to look at charts and then know the direction of charts, okay, just trade simple price action, support and resistance, then add up trend line so that you will know where you are going. All right. So it's as simple. This is what I trade. All right. I trade price action, normal support and resistance. Then I add trend line. To the trend line is to help me know where the market is going, where I am going. Okay. Then I look for entry models and then I get into the chart. Okay, so that is all about it. All right. So I believe this video really helps you and explain how to analyze markets, okay, without any form of indicator. All right. So just backtest this both on crypto, on stock, whatsoever you are trading, okay. The principle is the same. All right, so just mark this up. All right, make sure you go. If you are trading 5 minutes, you can do your analysis on 1 hour. If you are trading 15 minutes, you can do your analysis on 4 hours. Okay, if you're a swing trader, I'm not a fan of that one. So I'm not a swing trader. I don't even want to look at it. So you should be looking at your analysis maybe 1 week time frame or so. All right, so but if you are just trading, if you are just a day trader, you should be looking at maybe 5 minutes or 15 minutes entry point. So at least 4 hours and 1 hour should be enough for you to know the direction the market is going at that particular day. All right, so thank you very much for staying tuned, and then don't forget to do the YouTube business. All right, I really hate saying this, but don't forget to do the YouTube business. This will really help us to grow, okay, and then to provide you with more valuable information. All right, um see you in the next episode.